Last lesson, API key safety. Today, finally, we CD into a project and run opencode for real. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a tiny project folder, you'll be inside it, and opencode will be running with that folder as its working directory. Next lesson, we run /init. Lesson after, your first question, why does opencode need a project folder? Because it works on something. That something is a folder on your disk. Usually a real project, a codebase, a writing folder, a config directory. Can be anything, even an empty folder for testing. What's inside determines what opencode can do. If there's no code, it can't review code. Pick a project. 3 options. A real project you have, your own code, your own writing. Best for learning, because the answers matter to you. A tiny test folder, make an empty folder somewhere, safe for experimenting. Or clone an open source project from GitHub, if you want code to work with but don't have any of your own. Anything works. Even an empty folder. Opencode is flexible. 3 ways to get into a project. Option 1, make a new empty folder with mkdir, CD into it, run opencode. Option 2, CD into an existing project, run opencode. Option 3, clone something from GitHub, CD into it, run opencode. All 3 work. The command is always the same, opencode, after you're inside the folder. Launching opencode. Be inside the project folder first, that's the key. Type opencode and press enter. The TUI fills the terminal window. Check the status line, it shows the project path opencode is working in. If the path is wrong, quit, CD to the right place, try again. First glance at running opencode. Status line shows the project path opencode is working in. Mode indicator shows plan or build, we'll cover modes in phase D. Model indicator shows the model you picked. Empty chat area, cursor blinking, waiting for your first prompt. Opencode is running. Cursor blinking. Waiting for you. If the folder is empty, that's fine. Opencode doesn't need files to run. You can ask it to create files, write me a Python script that does X. You can ask it to plan something from scratch, I want to build a website that does Y, plan it. Empty folders are a great way to start a new project. Opencode becomes your pair programmer from line 1. Safety check before you start asking opencode to do things. Run git status, see what's already tracked. Run git log --1 line -5, see recent history. Make sure you're on a branch you can experiment on, not main. Commit any uncommitted work so you can always roll back. Opencode will make changes, having a clean git state gives you the safety net. If you remember one idea, CD then opencode. Opencode works on the folder you're in. Always CD into the project first. Then type opencode. The status line confirms the working directory. If you forget to CD, opencode will work in whatever folder you happen to be in, usually not what you want. Quick recap. Opencode needs a working directory. Pick a project, real, empty, or cloned. CD into it. Type opencode. Verify the working directory path in the status line. That's the setup before any real use. Coming up next, /init. Opencode is running in your project. The first thing to do is run /init. Tell opencode to study your project and write a draft agents.md that gives opencode context for every session in this project. We cover it next. Opencode is running. Ready to work. CD, opencode, ready. 3 commands to start every session. TUI open. Cursor blinking. Ready. Thanks for getting opencode running. Next, /init, your project's first agents.md.